Have you ever wondered why some articles go viral while others barely get a glance? Well, the secret often lies in the headline. Today, we're going to delve into the art of crafting compelling headlines. The kind that not only piques curiosity, but also prompts clicks. So, grab your notepad and pen because we're about to embark on a step-by-step journey on how to write a headline that drives more clicks. Let's get started with step 1. Understand your audience. Before crafting a headline, it's essential to know who you're writing for. What are their interests? What language do they speak? What problems are they facing? Once you've answered these questions, you'll be better equipped to write a headline that resonates with them. Step 2, keep it concise and clear. A good headline is short, straightforward, and easy to understand. Don't use jargon or complex words that might confuse your audience. Instead, use simple and clear language that immediately tells your audience what the content is about. Moving on to step 3, make it intriguing. A compelling headline should hook your audience and make them want to read more. Use powerful words and phrases that evoke emotion or spark curiosity. But remember, don't overpromise and underdeliver. Your content should always match the promise of your headline. Step 4, include your main keyword. If you want your content to be found online, it's important to include your main keyword in your headline. This will help search engines understand what your content is about and rank it accordingly. Finally, step 5, test your headline. Don't just settle for the first headline that comes to mind. Write multiple versions and test them to see which one works best. You can use online tools like headline analyzers to gauge the effectiveness of your headlines. In summary, writing a compelling headline involves understanding your audience, keeping it concise and clear, making it intriguing, including your main keyword, and testing your headline. Remember, a good headline doesn't just summarize your content, it sells it. So next time you're about to publish a piece of content, take a moment to craft a headline that not only encapsulates the essence of your content, but also makes your audience want to click and read more. And that, dear listeners, is the art of writing a headline that drives more clicks. It's not just about getting the words right, it's about understanding your audience, sparking their curiosity, and delivering on your promise. So go ahead, take these tips and start crafting headlines that not only stand out but also drive more clicks. Because in the end, a compelling headline isn't just a collection of words, it's a powerful tool that can help your content reach a wider audience and make a bigger impact. If you need any help in content writing, then contact us at info@goingdigital.in.